Steel Pan Builders Workshop is one of the many initiatives that the Department of Social Cohesion envisions will create a cadre of skilled steel pan tuners.
MASH coordinator Andrew Tyndall told InfoHub that the recent deaths of two prominent pantooners led to the implementation of the workshop in an effort to keep the art alive.
One of the things we wanted to come out from the Republic Golden Jubilee celebrations is increased capacities in a number of areas in the arts. So this is one of those workshops that will empower young people in the area of steel pan building. And this is a very lucrative field.
Facilitator of the workshop, Mario Joseph, said participants have a huge responsibility as they will soon have a skill which many do not possess. The 2-year initiative consists of 8 training sessions. As the lone female participant, Kelisha Edward, noted that while it is only the second day, she has learned many new things. She encourages other women to follow her lead.
Definitely, definitely. And I think you have to start somewhere. So at least there's one now, and then the next time, there are going to be others. Yeah.
Aspiring pantooner Tariq Mentor is also a steel pan instructor attached to the Guyana Defense Force (GDF) with 17 years of experience. However, this new skill he will acquire at the training will enhance his knowledge of the instrument. Isaiah Braffett for InfoHub.